Hey, this is Jenny Jones, Digital Growth Hacks Club. Listen, do not want to hold you long. Want to show you what one recently released feature for Selldone. And if you're still trying to figure out what Selldone is and what it does, I do have a short video up above or right in the description, but it is a checkout cart. So let's go ahead and get started. If this is your first time to this channel, please go ahead and like and subscribe. I'm always doing different hacks, different digital hacks to help you grow your business and your bottom line. I had to show you this feature. It's just released. I think they released it a couple of days ago, but what it basically is so this is my store. I'd say it's 85 to 95% done. I'd say it's 85% done, but I created a store, My Retirement Gift Ideas, and these are some of the gift ideas that I have here. But let me show you the power in this particular tool. Again, I can have a blog here, which helps create SEO traffic. I did these two articles using Brainwork, which I'll have a link below in that. What I did was I did these articles. It took me 5 minutes to do this one, and then maybe 6 minutes to do this one using Brainwork. So I'll put the link in there for that too. Very easy to use. Actually, there's a link above. You'll see how easy it is to use that one. And that's if you want to create and get your SEO, search engine optimization for your particular website. So this is my store, but what they did, let me show you what they did here. What they have here is you go here inside the store and you go to connect. I already showed you that because that's how I linked up my Printful store. But right here, this is the Google. This is a Google data source feed, and what it does is it feeds all of your items in your store that you pull from Printful over here. It pulls them all in here, and you can show them now in your Google Merchant Center. Now, those of you not familiar with Google Merchant Center, some of you may be familiar with it, but if you have a store, right, this is powerful juice. The reason why is because Google is trying to make their inroads on different traffic and things like that. And so one of the things they have, and it's a sneaky feature, and this is a quick hack here. And again, like I said, I'm not going to hold you long, maybe 5 minutes on this video, but they have what's called a free product listings, right? If you bring your feed over from here, move all of your items from your store and pump it into the feed over here in the Google Merchant Center, you can list it for free. Right. And so when people are looking for different things, again, Google wants you to find stuff on their store first. You can list it for here. And it says in free listings, Google, with free listings, you can show your products in more places and help people find what they want. Now, this is very powerful, definitely if you're doing local search engine optimization. So you can use it there. Obviously, you can use your shopping ads here. I got to set up some other stuff here that they keep asking me to set up. You know how Google is. So I got to start that process all over again. You got to look here and see where it's available. So you can do your shopping ads here, right? And then you can do the buy on Google, right? And you can directly put your shopping cart on the back end of here and let people buy through Google, right? Let me tell you something else that they got here. They got this baby right here. So you can see the two that I have enabled. This is promotions. So anytime you offer a discount or a free shipping, they will put your deals and or your posts and or, you know, your t-shirts or whatever. If you offer free shipping here, they will move it to the front. So if somebody's looking for retirement gift ideas and I say I do free shipping, Google's going to put my ad in the front when a local business comes, and when somebody's local and they're trying to find different products to sell. So again, if you have a physical store, I think this is the physical store. If you have local inventory, you can pump it in there as well. This is very powerful. Google is trying to make their moves. And what I appreciate about Selldone is they're already on it. They are the only store right now outside of the major players, your Shopify's and everyone else. They are the only next ones that I've seen that allow you to do this direct connection and plug in your data source feed here. It's a matter of copying your link ID in here on the back end when you're setting this up, and it will drop all of the the things in there. My products are all there, but I'm trying to work out some kinks because I changed my URL. So anyway, that's it. That's what's going on here. So again, you can pick up Selldone. I'll put a link in there for that as well. Very, very, very powerful store feature. And thanks for tuning in. Till next time. See you guys. Goodbye for now.